country that wants to host the Olympics in a couple months. So they were, can't That not gonna work, brother. Listen to me. No, Japan. No. No, sir. You can't. No. Nope. I'm not accept. No. Like, seriously, though? It's, like, seriously, dog? 本当にそのことやってんの？なんか、それバカじゃないの、そのことだ。なんか、差別じゃない？差別でしょ？やっぱ。もう、なんか今日はね、ちょっと、友達、連絡して、あと、なんか、変なことあったから、アンドレ、こっち見て。アンドレ、見て。俺の日本語めっちゃ下手けど、どうするかな？どうしようかな。まあ、I don't know what to do. I'm just fully over all this foolishness that Japan is going on with. It's even in the 2020, even after a full year of this coronavirus, the whole pandemic affecting the entire world and the globe, Japan's still doing what Japan does. You know, us versus them. It's pretty much always going to be like that. That seems like it will never change. And to the detriment maybe of relationships with foreigners or other countries in the world, I mean, Japan is always going to back itself and always will find a way to spin the narrative to make it look like it's not the Japanese persons or the person that are contributing to whatever problem or ills may fall their society. They are never to blame for anything that is wrong because in their eyes, it's not wrong to them. But here's where I don't understand. This can't be the country that wants to host the Olympics in a couple months. No, Japan. You can't have a cake or your sushi and eat it. That's the saying, cake, right? You know what I mean? What is that? What does that headline say? So, a health center in Ibaraki Prefecture, the Itako Health Center, sent out an advisory. Agricultural co-ops, farmers saying with preventive measures for measures to prevent the Shingata coronavirus from spreading. So, there was a whole section on foreigners. And the primary thing was, they said, you should not eat with foreigners to help spread the flow of the Shinkata coronavirus. 外国人と食事しないように。あとは、なんか、外国人と話す、マスケってください。Because, you know, コロナだから。それは何？それはちょっと。それはちょっとね。ちょっとじゃない。ちょっとね。ちょっと。バカ。まず、それはなんか、すいません。それは、差別じゃないか？差別ではないよね。どっち？ That's discrimination. That is the definition of discrimination. However, of course, there's always an explanation. So a friend of a friend is explaining to him that, hey, you know, they suspected that foreigners who worked on the farm had the virus. And so they were just speaking about those foreigners on the farm. Oh, because that makes it much better. We're not talking about all the foreigners in the entire world. We're just talking about the foreigners on that specific farm that may have the virus. But that's not discrimination in any way, shape, or form. That is the epitome of discrimination. Treating someone differently because of conditions or their state or how they look or what they may have. May or may not have. It's like almost saying, stop Asian hate only in Asia. But you can hate everybody else, other Asians around the world. Or no. You can stop killing black men in America, but you can kill black men anywhere else in the world because that makes it okay. That is the logic you're using, okay? How? How does that make sense? Now, I know. You can't go and say away this, you know. 失礼します。いかないよね。それは関係ないだよな。That's not gonna work, brother. It does not gonna work. Like, you are hosting foreigners in a couple of months. You've already opened your borders to foreigners already to come for the Olympics, the athletes, right? So how, please explain to me, how are you going to say the foreigners in Japan are the ones spreading the virus? Because the legion of foreigners that are on the train in the morning at rush hour, packing the trains, are spreading the virus, right? Of course, the legion of foreigners all right, are the ones that are out late at night drinking without their mask on and talking without their mask on. The legion of foreigners that I've seen. The only thing I'm really glad they didn't say it was black foreigners. Because now, every race and creed of foreigner in Japan is being affected by this. They are now experiencing a lot of the things that a particular type of foreigner has been experiencing for some time now. So all you weaves and those who came up for Japan don't want it. Yeah, they don't want us here, bro. Like that, you know, just pay your pension, pay your taxes, and get out of here. Don't complain. Do what they tell you to do and get out of here. And for those over there at the front of the stage protesting and saying, go back to your country. When we go back, who's going to help you drink your tea and eat your sushi? All you weaves over there, all those who say that Japan is the best place in the world, up there sniffing up the natto forts and the matcha tea forts and all that. How's it going for you? Because Japan don't want you here. All right, they don't want you here. Oh gosh, yo, it's been a minute since I got it. Like, I'm triggered, fam. I'm heated. So foreigners in Japan, how do you feel? Like, especially those who really love Japan and mean love it, like it's a part of their entire being and core. Like if they don't get their Japanese permanent residency, they're going to lose or burst a blood vessel type vibe. Like, how are you feeling now? Because when you go on the train, they are looking at you as the reason for spreading the coronavirus. And I'm not saying all the Japanese people are like that, because clearly not all of them, but the people who are making decisions, the people who are in power, the people who are influencers are spreading some crazy propaganda out here, bro. And the masses are lapping up. NHK is just... It is crazy out here, fam. I am even busting a sweat because I'm heated. It can't be real. This can't be real in 2021. This foolishness. Anyway, I don't know. Tell me what you think down in the comments down below about this whole little debacle here in Ibaraki. Ibaraki is like up the road from me, you know. John no star. Swear to God. This is just... Me no know. Yeah, alright, God. Because guys, you make a YouTube. Make sure you subscribe, share, and like. Comment down below. I'm out.